In this video, I'll show you how to set up Binance account. First, open your browser and go to the official Binance website. Make sure you are on the correct website before continuing. Once you are on the homepage, click on the Sign Up button located at the top right corner of the screen. Next, choose how you want to create your account. You can sign up using your email address or your phone number. Enter your details carefully and create a strong password that you will remember but others cannot guess. After that, confirm your registration by entering the verification code sent to your email or phone. Now, once your account is created, log in and go to your account dashboard. The next important step is identity verification. Click on the section that says Verify or Get Verified. You will need to enter your personal information such as your full name, date of birth, and address. Make sure everything matches your official documents. After that, you will be asked to upload a government-issued ID, such as a passport, driver's license, or national ID card. Follow the instructions on the screen and take clear photos when required. In some cases, you may also need to complete a face verification step using your camera or phone. Once your verification is submitted, wait for Binance to review your information. This process can take a few minutes or sometimes a few hours depending on demand. When approved, your account will have full access to trading features. Next, you can go to the Wallet section to deposit funds. Click on Deposit and choose whether you want to deposit cryptocurrency or fiat currency depending on what is available in your country. Follow the instructions carefully to complete the deposit. After your funds are added, you can start using Binance to buy and sell crypto. Go to the Trade section, select the cryptocurrency you want, enter the amount, and confirm your order. Finally, for security, go to your settings and enable two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of protection to your account and keeps your funds safer. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up Binance account. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.